Thank you for choosing Pride Tuck. Here are some helpful tips on how to use it. You don't need to be completely hairless down there to use Pride Tuck, but having less hair makes removal easier. Cut a piece of tape from the roll that's about 1 inch wider than the front of the fabric on each side. Please note that there's adhesive on the back side of the front and back. This helps position your Pride Tuck initially and wears off after a few uses. Start by positioning the front of the tuck. Peel off adhesive backing from the tape. Secure the front with the bottom half of the tape on your Pride Tuck and the other half on the skin above it. Tuck your package comfortably. Pull the strap between your cheeks. This is easier to do with a wider stance. Cut another piece of tape about 5 inches wide. Remove the adhesive backing and use the butterfly on the back of the Pride Tuck to find the right pressure and position. Once you've found your perfect tuck, pull the butterfly and apply the tape over it, sticking it on your back above your cheeks. For bathroom breaks, you can either slide your package to the side or remove the tape and reapply when finished. When done wearing, remove the tape and dispose. Wash your Pride Tuck as needed. Our product is latex-free and hypoallergenic. If you have sensitive skin, always test a small piece of tape first. Pride Tuck is designed to help you be your true self. It may feel unfamiliar at first, but should never cause discomfort. If it does, you might be applying it incorrectly. Never tuck if you have circulatory issues, damaged, or bruised skin. For any questions or further assistance, please contact us at support@transgenx.com.